My name is Jaden.
I'm Sam.
I think I collaborated pretty well. Like, I made a new friend, Sam, and we made all of our movies so far together. We did pretty well with switching off with roles and things like that.
I had this idea, and then he's like, oh, but then we should also add on to this. And then it wasn't just that one plain simple idea.
It's a different experience when you're working with someone else. It's just something that you won't quite exactly get when you're working by yourself.
I learned more about Adobe Premiere Pro because I had it at home and I didn't really know much about it, and I wanted to learn more, and Jaden also wanted to. So Mr. Michael, he said that he'll teach us one of the days here. So he taught us that, and then we started editing the movie on it. The best part of working together was after we edited the film, seeing our work all paid off.